Hello everybody, welcome to a new custom model segment. Today we'll be looking at my custom scrap engines. You might be asking, what are scrap engines? They are engines that appear in Thomas and Friends. Aaron Bergen the first bringing the first scrap engine right here. So interesting story. So the first scrap engine right here is Edward. I based this off of the reason why I decided to make this. In 2017, I got this Edward before I got this Hotel Edward right here. It's like a better one, better quality than this Edward, because I can do this. I can turn his head sideways, yeah, different details, and this was the first scrap engine ever made with the orange paint. I'm pretty sure it came from the Imaginarium, the Orbrium wooden railway. She said to use orange paint to signify scrap, because I decided to make this custom because Edward's supposed class to furnace railway K2 got scrapped. Yes. Originally meant to turn this into a custom of 1020 ordained and I made it into a custom scrap furnace railway K2, because in real life all of the furnace railway K2 classes were scrapped. I painted the funnel was painted, the face was painted, but I wish I cut off the face. I put scrap, other details scrap, buffer detail, back lining, red paint, signify the scrap effect, and the top of the dome is red. I really like this custom, because basically this is way before I had this Edward. I really prefer this Edward over this one, because the dome right here, I'm gonna move the dome back to right here. It has 5 stripes. This Edward, I painted this Edward right here. Yeah. The bottom. Yeah. Let's move on to the next custom. Next custom is possibly Tom, or my supposed Theo custom. Right here, I put so we had Tom, the scrap engine. I put a number 1 on this side. I put lots of details on him, and I put the red paint. This had the same rules as the Thomas and Friends wooden railway prototype. Thomas, the wheels are painted orange, and the chassis block orange. This is a generic off-brand engine I painted. Yeah, there's no dome, it's a funnel. This was supposed to be drew on the face. Yeah. This is originally meant to be a Theo custom, but this one is off of the scrap engine I based this engine off of the little train from the Czechoslovakian film called The Little Train from 1959. I decided to not paint it golden because it would turn out to be a chocolate brown. And so I have the top, back, side, and what does this will mean? Yeah, this is a canceled custom Theo. Next custom, let's bring up the final custom we've been looking at is Scratch. And first ever custom scrap engine ever made. I'm so happy with this one. It's like a scrap engine I made. Yeah. The wheels are painted brown. Yeah, bro, why did I to do this? Well, this was made out of a engine that was originally meant to use for my custom of all engines go Edward, but I decided not to use it for Holland. Make Holland makes him small, not have bogies. Yeah. The magnet was painted black. The buffer beam, the top of the running board is painted red. Face was painted brown. The two domes painted brown with red, signify scrap. Red on this side to signify that, yeah. The back, yeah. The buffer beam details, and this was based on an engine from, this is off of the engine from Bluebells of England, where Stebney says about where the engines, they cut engines up. It doesn't have window detailing. Unlike of how this Edward has window detailing. Yes. So, I put his name on the bottom of scratch. Why? Because I wanted to possibly have a scrap engine to see. The paint right here, I painted it brown. It was originally black. Yeah, the face right here, that's just a smoke book store I painted. Yeah. Yeah. So I also did the underneath of the chassis red. So, am I asking, why did I make some custom scrap engines? Well, I needed some engines if I recreate. Why is Edward here? Because this is way before I got this Edward. I mean, the tender was someone I got in 2018, and someone was given to my art teacher. I possibly had an 11th grade when I first took art. Yeah. So I guess that's done. I guess that's it for this custom model segment. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.